Hello and welcome back to Star Stable. I haven't seen you guys in so long. I didn't post today. What are you talking about? I'm kidding. I saw you earlier. Who cares? Bye. I'm gonna stop recording and not upload this. Okay, I'm kidding. Hello. Today we're gonna sort my closet and it might glitch. So, yay. And why am I sorting my closet? Well, because I figured out... Oh. Audrey logged on. Audrey's the owner of my club. Yay! Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, my old club where I was the leader got deleted, and so we're waiting for a week or two to join our own clubs, and then it's fun. And yeah, so I didn't realize, but you have to be Star Rider to get these special things in a store, and I didn't realize that. And so I've been buying all of them, and now we have to sort my closet. Well, not really sort it, just put everything away. It's already sorted. And P.S. guys, like all of my other videos, this is gonna end on a cliffhanger. Ugh, stupid clap. Wait, I think I know what's wrong. Did she log off? Wait, did Audrey? Oh, well, that's nice of her. Thanks. Because now I can't find her in... Oh, look, Rose is on. Hi. I don't know why. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. Now you have to sit around and watch me do boring things. Yay! It works! It's not glitching anymore. It was glitching earlier, if you ask. Okay, so now, we gotta sort out things. Enjoy. Oh yeah, I got all these gloves. I did a show, and I didn't have these deluxe dressage gloves? No, those are street gloves. Okay, yeah. This is horrible. I'm getting torn away from my clothes, my precious clothes. I need to put them all away, but I don't want to. Because then I don't have access to them if I ever go, yay, I want to change my outfit. So, this is horrible. Why do you have to do it? Who cares? And no, I'm not two, if you ask me in the comments below. Nobody's gonna ask me that, because the only people who I've subbed are my friends. Except for people who I met on Star Stable. Oh look, there's champions. When's the Yorvik Stables? What? 10 minutes? What? I'm clenching my jaw so hard every time I say what, it's hurting. Oh, what am I doing? Those are my gloves. Why? No, I need to put my glasses in here, my stylish glasses. So yeah, like all my other videos, I think I already told you this, but it's gonna end on a cliffhanger. Yay! I'm just gonna be talking, and then it's just gonna stop. Yeah, but that happened in my last video. Oh, yay, I've got a perfect... Oh, who logged on? Aw, Rose logged on. I'm sorry, Rose, you can't come. Because, I'm in my home stable. Aw, I wish that the dressage boots were better. I've got my dressage stuff, because, I need my dressage stuff. Because I do dressage, if you didn't know. It's not really true, but who cares? I do dressage, but let's just say if you're one of the people who does dressage with me on the game, and yeah, you subscribe to my channel, you know what I'm talking about. I don't exactly... Oh, look, they're white Western gloves? Well, that's just... Oh, look, yeah, they are. What I love about the store is almost everything you buy is part of the set, which is perfect, because then I can be matchy-matchy when I go do things. So, oh yeah, and I'm also going to have my Western stuff, So I should go find my Western Star. Oh no, that's the Star Stable boots. Oh, I don't think did I? Oh, those are the Star Stable ones. Oh well, who cares? We'll have to come back here to put my stuff away anyhow. We're just making sets so that, like, I can have a lot of stuff. I think I sorted it all. That was... I haven't... Oh yeah, that's the stupid construction pants. I forgot to put them away. I kind of hate baggy pants like this. Like, I'll show you. Like, magical riding pants. Baggy construction pants. Oh. Oh no, somebody left our club. Go. Come back. I'm kidding. I don't really care if you leave our club or not. I'm not the club owner, people. Learn this. Wait, where's the hat? I needed to find the hat. It takes too long. Oh yeah, I think this is it. Dang it, that's the Star Stable hat. Ugh. Where's me Western hat? I guess Western... Aww, sad face. I wonder if there's like a dressage top. I don't think I've collected my tops. We need to put a few things in to hold these gaps. Okay, up here. Yeah, so I thought I'd bring you along for the most boring video ever. Yay! Yeah, I know you're probably going to be thanking me everywhere. Like, I'm going to go to school and I'm just going to be overwhelmed. There's going to be people from all sides of me coming up. Ella, thank you for the video. I loved watching you. That was so fun. I watched you clean out your closet. Oh, those are the black ones. Never mind. Yeah, so I kind of updated my outfit if you didn't know. I got this beautiful head ribbon. Aw, I won't show it. There we go. Yeah, which I love, by the way. Right, those are just leg wraps. I have so many leg wraps. I should probably put leg wraps on all of my horses. That would be nice of me, right? Okay, never mind. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna head down to Moorland and get some clothes. And since I'm so lazy, I'm not going to ride down there, even though it's like 5 feet away. I'm gonna trailer. No, my home stable is not Fort Penta, people. It's Steve's, okay? And it's probably soon gonna either be Golden Hills or somewhere in the Harvest Counties once I get the Harvest Counties. I don't actually know what level you need for the Harvest Counties. I might actually have a quest in here that has just been sitting there. Comments down below if you play Star Stable. But I think the only person... Oh, no, some of my subscribers are... Yeah, so if you play Star Stable, tell me what level you need to be. Where are we going? Right, Moorland. I almost forgot. Wait. Is Moorland even an option? Yeah, good. Thank you. Because it's so far away, people. It would take me so long. Ooh, a notepad. Yay! Okay, we gotta go over here, and then we gotta go fast. Good boy. Slow. So here's what I mean. See all this beauty? I think you do. This is what I like to call the store. If you didn't know why, you should unsubscribe. No, I'm kidding. Please, don't unsubscribe. Hashtag I need more followers. Oh, look! I think I got the pants for the special thing. These are some really nice riding pants, by the way. Oh no, all my beautiful... all my beautiful, like, sorted stuff is gonna be all messed up. Ugh. I don't actually know how much room I have left, but who cares? I don't think we're gonna have room. Oh, right, yeah. So now we need, do we have a saddlebag? I think we have a saddlebag, so at least we can fit like one thing. Wow, this is just sad to look at. It's really sad to look at this. I'm dying. I'm done. I'm done. Don't you think I look so nice and matchy? Like, perfect. Wait, I just need to get my other shirt. There we go. Now I'm all matchy. Yay. I need to put on some other pants. What? I'm gonna put on all my dressage stuff because I can. I might go to a dressage with one of my friends. Yay. Did my friend actually say hi? Aw, they didn't say hi back. Oh, it's because I said hi to the wrong person. Hi, I want to do dressy. 10 minutes or so. I need to buy a new dressage saddle once I get level 13. Is that even? No, I said the wrong. Yeah. I actually did it. Yay. I'm dying. Did they already say? Oh, wow. That was quick. Okay. Chat. Yeah. When I'm Guys, oh my god. Aw, I'm about to cry. Guys, no. Sorry. Something came up. Another time, though. Guys, if you... Caren! You're here! And I'm recording. Yay! I didn't think she would, like, I literally just mailed her. Like, right before I started recording. Saying, I mailed them, saying that to come. Yay! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna cry, but then I'm gonna say after. Cry. From happy. I just told them that it was happy crying. That was like, wow, people, they logged on. Oh my god. Caren, please, like, I beg of you. A B B F. Caren logged off? Well, that was just fast. That's just, wow, I'm gonna die. Yeah, they logged off. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go meet up with somebody who really loves being